Well, they loved playing notes, they loved learning rhythms, and then we learned our first few songs. The next song I would like to play for you is going to sound fairly familiar. We argue about the name of it. In the book, it's called Rolling Along. I think you'll know it. But we're going to have a little contest, a little competition between the different instrument families, and you guys are going to help me vote, okay? The first section that's going to be featured are the woodwinds. Then you're going to hear the brass. And then you're going to hear percussion. So you're going to have to let me know which section does the best. So if your favorite section was in first place, cheer now. I think we can agree they're all winners. That was great. Well, a really, really important pivotal day happened. And I think you know and remember that day, the first time the kids got to bring their instruments home. In order to bring their instruments home, they had to earn that privilege as a class. So every single kid had to pass off everyone's favorite song, Hot Cross Buns.